What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Rolling Bag 88 V2 88 key keyboard bag. Now, one of the great things about this case is that we have plenty of pockets for storage. So for example, if we take a look at this big pocket here, you'll see that we have these two see-through pockets, which is good to carry sheet music, chargers for your laptop or your phone, etc. And then also inside we have these two smaller pockets, which is good for microphones, etc. We also have this pocket here on top, which is good for microphones, cables, sustain pedals, etc. And now if we take a look at the main compartment here, you'll see that we have plenty of space for any 88 key keyboard or synthesizer. You'll also notice these foam pads here, which are actually velcroed, so we can take them out if we need more storage, or you can leave them in to protect your keyboard from gig to gig. We also have these velcro straps inside that will keep our keyboard from moving around. So we can actually start by undoing these velcro strips here so that we have them open. For today's setup, we're actually going to leave the foam pads inside, but remember, you can always take them out if you have a bigger keyboard and you need more storage. So next we can grab our keyboard and place it right inside of the case like so, and then we can close up these straps again to keep our keyboard from moving around. From here you'll notice we have plenty of room left, so we can place sustain pedals or any cables you'd want to keep together with your keyboard. So once we're all set, we can close the case up, zip it up with the zippers. And another cool thing is that there are these holes here on the zippers, so we can run a padlock through for extra security. Now we actually have a few different options on the transport of the case. So you can use these handles here and velcro them together so you have a more secure grip for your case. Or if your keyboard is on the heavier side, you can use the wheels on the bottom. So you would place it down on the feet of the case, tip it over so that it's on its wheels, and use the handle to roll the case around. If you want a lower grip while you're rolling your case, you can also use this strap here on the back. And if you ever need to stop while you're rolling your case, remember you can use these feet here next to the wheels. And you'll also notice these spikes here on the side of the case if you want to set it down by its side. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Rolling Bag 88 V2 88 key keyboard case. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.